Want to browse the internet more securely without spending any money? Or maybe you've tried opening a website only to find that it's blocked in your region? If you've ever faced situations like these, then today's video is exactly what you need. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Proton VPN on your Windows PC or laptop completely free. It's fast, reliable, easy to use, and one of the most trusted VPN services available today. Hey everyone! Welcome back to FixSoft. There are countless VPNs available online, so you might be wondering why we're choosing Proton VPN. The reason is simple. Its free plan is genuinely useful. Unlike many free VPNs that limit your data, slow down your connection, or bombard you with ads, Proton VPN offers unlimited browsing with no monthly data caps. Plus, it's developed by a company that focuses heavily on user privacy and security. So, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Proton VPN. Once the search results appear, open the official Proton VPN website. When the homepage loads, you'll see a Get Proton VPN button. Click on it to continue. You'll now be shown several plans. Don't worry about the paid options because we're going to use the free plan. Simply select Proton Free and continue. On the next page, you'll need to create a free account by entering your email. Simply add your email and continue. Next, click on Use My Own Password. Then enter a password you like, then confirm it. Once your account is ready, you'll be taken to the Proton dashboard. From there, click the Download button to download Proton VPN for Windows. Here, choose Windows 64-bit option, and the setup file will start downloading. After the installer finishes downloading, open it and allow Windows to run the setup. Choose your preferred language, click Next, and follow the installation process. If Proton offers any additional apps during installation and you only want the VPN, you can uncheck those options and continue. Finally, click Install and wait for the setup to complete. Once Proton VPN is installed, close the installer and launch the application and sign in using the account you created earlier. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Click Get Started and Proton VPN is ready to use. Now, to connect it, simply press Connect button. Within a few seconds, Proton VPN will automatically connect you to the best available free server. After connecting, you'll be able to see information such as the server location, VPN, IP address, connection status, and network activity directly inside the application. Now, if you want to see if it's working properly or not, you can go to a website called What is My IP Address? Open the website and you will see your current IP address, your country, and even your city. If you'd like to connect to a different country, simply click on the Change Server option. Proton VPN will automatically search for another available free server and connect you to it. Keep in mind that with the free plan, you can't manually choose a specific country whenever you want. If you need access to a particular country or want complete control over server selection, you'll need to upgrade to the Proton VPN Plus plan. However, for everyday browsing, online privacy, streaming, and general internet use, the free version works surprisingly well. It offers reliable performance, good speeds, and strong security, making it a great choice for most users without spending any money. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FixSoft for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.